All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the limited edition, black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, got backup camera. I believe it has navigation system, heated seats, panoramic sunroofs. Super nice. Only 31,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Has some heavy scratch here, about an inch. Another chippy here. That's about it. This fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at the 6/32 range. Both doors are good. This quarter is good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Tire thread is under 7/32. Nice shot of your sunroof. Your roof. I don't see any things dents or anything over here. And this is, of course, your sunroof, and that looks pretty nice. Your power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your obviously you got your Navi system starting up right there, as you can see. You got your your heated and vented seats. You got your obviously your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. Get your AC controls right down below. Stable controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 31,352. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks pretty good. Got a little button here. Opens up that back lift gate. All right. It's got memory seating as well. Here is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders and rear AC vents and heated seats back here. Nice. Coming around, rear bumper with the sensors look good. It's got a heavy scratch here, about 6 to 7 inches right there. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is privacy curtain. Boom. A spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. I think my light just died. All right, get this in there. It's got a little button, closes this gate. Keeping it moving. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. And your tire thread is under 4/32, it looks like. Under 7/32, I mean. Let's see. Yep, under 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Your front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. A tire thread here is at the 7/32. Lights are working, car is running, things are sweet. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited edition, black on black with 31,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.